Welcome Monster Jam fans to the first episode of OCD's Sign Up Showdown. Tonight's event will feature Spin Master Monster Jam trucks for the first time on my channel in a racing event, of course using the Monster Dirt and some plastic cars from Hot Wheels Monster Jam. We are now going to see the first ever episode take place, but first, an explanation of the point series that will take place tonight, and also the field of trucks specially commentated by the Hangouts Crew.
This is how the points are going to run down. If you lose in round 1 or round 2, you will get 5 points. If you lose in round 3, you will get 10 points. Round 4, 15. Semi-final loss will result in 20 points. Final loss, 25. And to win the whole thing, 35 points will be added to your series total.
And leading the field today, we have Adrian Guti 320 in Brodozer, Austin Dahlgren in Bounty Hunter, Antonio Rodriguez III in Zombie Fire, Antonio Silva in Alien Invasion,
Ben Kurtz in Monster Mutt Rottweiler, Andrea Smith in Gravedigger. We have Bob Doodle Bob in Northern Nightmare, Chevy Morris, Gas Monkey Garage,
Chicken B in Dragon Ice, E-Man 3906 in Soldier Fortune Black Ops, EPH Graphics in Earthshaker, and JJ Ray X9 in Son of a Digger.
Kenny D in Wildfire, Kimberly Eason in Yeti, Crazy driving Blue Thunder, Laylo Martinez in Great Clips Mohawk Warrior,
Mac Bulldog Mac in Monster Mutt Dalmatian, Mike Bavava driving Avenger, Mike Monster 27 piloting Octinator, Monster Jam Action 81 in Big Kahuna,
Monster Jam Fan 0311 in Pirate's Curse, Monster Jam OCD in the Bakugan Dragonoid, Monster J Collector 10 driving Wildflower, and Neptune 1 Megalodon.
NASCAR Fan 918 in the Scarlet Bandit, Nick Main in the Ice Cream Man, Nightmare 1314 piloting Stinger Unleashed, and Pablo 312 in Max D.
Pino Nino 124 in Soldier Fortune, Randy Costa in Gravedigger the Legend, RJA 21 in Captain's Curse, Rue That's Who in El Toro Loco.
Stop Motion Madness is driving Jester, and the Corruptor 107 in Monster Mutt.
We're going to start here with Bakugan Dragonoid, which is myself, against Andrea Smith inside of Gravedigger, your top qualifier during our practice rounds. So here we go. The start of episode 1 in a brand new series in 3, 2, 1, go. And that first race will go to Gravedigger.
Very close race between those two trucks.
And next up on the ramp, we have Great Clips Mohawk Warrior, which is Lalo Martinez, and Earthshaker, driven by EPH Graphics Errol. And that will go to Great Clips Mohawk Warrior. And welcome to round number 2. We're starting off here with Fire Zombie against the first round 1 winner, Gravedigger. Fire Zombie is driven by Antonio Rodriguez III, and of course Andrea Smith inside of Gravedigger. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. And it will be Fire Zombie eliminating Gravedigger very early. Not what Andrea wanted to do, but Gravedigger will be eliminated in this round by Fire Zombie. And a Fire versus Ice matchup. We have Yeti taking on Wildfire. Wildfire driven by Kenny D, and Yeti driven by Kimberly Eason. And the win will go to...
Nice, Yeti.
I think it's going to be Yeti. So Yeti will take the win over Kenny D's Wildfire. And next up, we have Bev inside of Avenger taking on Monster Mutt Rottweiler, who is Ben Kurtz. And it will go to, barely taking the win, Rottweiler, slamming into the wall protection. Next up, we have Megalodon taking on Stinger. Megalodon is driven by Neptune 1 and Stinger Unleashed, driven by Nightmare 1314. And that's a close, I'm going to call that a tie. That's a really close tie for my perspective and the Hangouts Crew up there. So we're going to re-race that, switching lanes. Stinger on the right side now and Megalodon on the left. Here we go. And that will definitely go to Stinger this time. So Stinger Unleashed, Nightmare 1314. And we have a military matchup. Team Soldier Fortune going head-to-head. Soldier Fortune Black Ops driven by E-Man 3906 and Soldier Fortune driven by Pino Nino 124. And it will be Soldier Fortune Black Ops, E-Man. Next up, we have Brodozer, driven by Adrian Guti 320, who also will be attempting the first ever live stunt at World Finals 1 for this sign-up showdown. And next to him on the ramp, we have Gas Monkey Garage, driven by Chevy Morris. 3, 2, 1, go. And that will go to Gas Monkey Garage. Definitely.
Gas Monkey wins the Discovery Channel race.
Yep, there we go. Gas Monkey Garage. And next up on the ramp, we have Monster Jam Action 81, Doug, hoping for a win in the brand new Big Kahuna, taking on Ice Dragon, driven by Chickens B. And it will go to Big Kahuna, Monster Jam Action 81.
Go!
Nice win.
And next up, we have El Toro Loco taking on Gravedigger the Legend. Ooh, that was close. I'm going to have to call that a re-race here for sure. Here we go again. We're going to put Riley McCord and El Toro Loco on the left side. And Gravedigger Legend, by the way, driven by Randy Costa. So we're going to redo that in just a second. Let me reset the cars here so we don't have any trucks kind of going off track. So we're ready. So here we go. El Toro Loco and Gravedigger Legend number 2. And that definitely will go to Gravedigger the Legend. Sorry, Rue, but that's the end of the line for the El Toro Loco.
You had a good run.
And now we have Jester taking on the second round 1 winner, Great Clips Mohawk Warrior. Jester is driven by Stop Motion Madness. And that will go to Jester going off course, but it does count and he will take the win.
Anything goes.
And we have a Hangout Squad matchup, Ice Cream Man, driven by Nick Main, taking on Mac Bulldog Mac in Monster Mutt Dalmatian, a longtime veteran of my Racing Showdown style videos. Here we go, 3, 2, 1. And that will go to Mac Bulldog Mac in Monster Mutt Dalmatian. Yep, he hit the complaint card, but it will count and he will take the win. And next up, we have representing Team 2 Extreme Bounty Hunter, driven by Austin Dowger, one of our commentators, and Blue Thunder, driven by Crazy. 3, 2, 1, go. And it will be Blue Thunder taking the win against Austin Dowger in the Bounty Hunter.
I think we need to redo that race.
I don't think so. And next up, we have Pirate's Curse taking on Captain's Curse. Pirate's Curse driven by Monster Jam Fan 0311 and Captain's Curse driven by RJA21. 3, 2, 1, go. And it will be Pirate's Curse taking the win in the Battle of the Seas.
And that's the future.
Next up, we have Monster Mutt driven by The Corruptor 107 and Alien Invasion driven by Antonio Silva. 3, 2, 1, go. And the win will go to Monster Mutt. Next up on the ramp, we have Northern Nightmare driven by Bob Doodlebob and Son of a Digger driven by JJ Ray X9. You can catch Son of a Digger on Revved Up Recaps episode 3.
That was a close one.
That was a very close one. I'm going to show the crowd actually. I think it's a tie. That's too close to call.
Yeah.
All right, so let's re-race that one. So we will switch lanes now. Son of a Digger will take on the right lane and Northern Nightmare in the left. 3, 2, 1, go. And that will go to Northern Nightmare in the left lane. Mike Monster 27 inside of Octinator taking on the aerodynamic Max D, driven by Pablo 312. Catch Max D in Revved Up Recaps episode number 2 on Monster Jam's YouTube channel. 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, Octinator taking a huge win.
And it will be Octinator taking the win against Max D. And the final race of round number 2, we have the 2 women trucks from the Danger Diva series, Scarlet Bandit and Wildflower taking on each other. Wildflower driven by Monster J Collective 10 and Scarlet Bandit representing Team 2 Extreme is driven by NASCAR Fan 918. 3, 2, 1, go. And the win will go to Scarlet Bandit, just barely taking that win, rolling over. And that was almost called for Wildflower had it not rolled over. So Wildflower is eliminated, and Scarlet Bandit will continue into round number 3. And welcome to round number 3. We're getting closer to crowning our champion. We have Fire Zombie taking on Yeti. 3, 2, 1, go. And it will be Yeti in the left lane taking the win. That was a big surprise. Zombie has been pretty fast, but Yeti will take the win. And next up, it is Monster Mutt Rottweiler against Stinger Unleashed. Wow, that was a fast one. Again, Monster Mutt Rottweiler will take the win, though, against Stinger Unleashed. And continuing round number 3, we have Soldier Fortune Black Ops taking on Gas Monkey Garage. And it will be Soldier Fortune Black Ops taking the win. Tom Mentz fell. And next up on the ramp, we have Monster Jam Action 81 and Big Kahuna taking on Gravedigger the Legend. And it will go to Big Kahuna taking the win. Going into round number 4. Doug, you're going to go into round number 4. What's your thoughts on that?
I'm very excited, man. I hope we can pull this off.
All right, Big Kahuna proving to be a pretty fast qualifier and also a great competitor in the first episode of the Sign Up Showdown. Next up, we have Jester and MacBlock Mac inside of Monster Mutt Dalmatian. And it will go to...
Oh, that's close.
I think it's going to be...
Close.
I don't know, Dalmatian, or do you want to do a re-race?
I don't know. I think a redo.
All right, redo. We're going to call that a tie then. Jester will take on Monster Mutt Dalmatian for the second time. And it will go to Jester. And next up, it is Blue Thunder taking on Pirate's Curse. Pirate's Curse with an awesome bicycle right there. Taking the win, though, against Blue Thunder.
Two-wheel skills.
I've never seen two-wheel skills done by a sus competitor before. And on the starting line now, we have Monster Mutt taking on Northern Nightmare. And that will go to Northern Nightmare. And to complete round number 3, we have Scarlet Bandit taking on Octinator. And Scarlet Bandit knocked down my camera, but Octinator will take the win. And we're now in the quarterfinals of the Sign Up Showdown episode number 1. Next up is Yeti taking on Monster Mutt Rottweiler. Whoa! And Yeti will take the win, going very fast over the car protection, but it will take the win against Monster Mutt Rottweiler. And next up on the ramp, we have Soldier Fortune Black Ops taking on Monster Jam Action 1 inside of Big Kahuna. And it will be Doug, you're taking another win inside of Big Kahuna. Moving on to the semifinals. And next up, Pirate's Curse taking on Jester. Whoa! Jester goes all the way past the course and will take the win.
Crazy.
And your final semifinals qualifier will be determined right now. It is Octinator taking on Northern Nightmare. Whoa! Nice
That
front.
was crazy.
That was a very cool rollover by Octinator, and it will take the win.
That is incredible.
Your semifinalists, Big Kahuna, Monster Jam Action 1 taking on Yeti, who will be your first championship finalist in episode number 1. 3, 2, 1, go. Whoa! And it will be Yeti went backwards for some reason, and it will be Big Kahuna, Monster Jam Action 81. I have never seen a truck go up and then backwards like that before, but it has happened here. Yeti is eliminated by Monster Jam Action 81, Doug in Big Kahuna.
That's the weight of true metal podcast.
And the final set in the semifinals round, it is Jester taking on Octinator. Jester driven by Stop Motion Madness and Octinator driven by Mike Monster 27. 3, 2, 1, go. And it will be Jester taking on Big Kahuna in the championships of episode number 1. Doug, are you ready to face Stop Motion Madness?
Dude, I am ready. I think it's going to be a great race. I've had some really close races tonight. This is going to be the closest one.
And it has come down to this, the finals race of episode number 1 of the brand new Sign Up Showdown. Doug, what's your thoughts on making it to the finals round in episode number 1?
Dude, it's been a crazy night. It's crazy to be one of the fastest trucks out there, but Jester's also mad fast, so let's see how this race is going to go.
And Austin, I know you lost round 2, but what's your thoughts on these two finalists?
They're both really fast, and anything can happen.
All right, and history will be made in 3, 2, 1. And it will go to Big Kahuna, Monster Jam Action 81. Definitely taking the win from the aerial view. Doug, you have won the first episode of my brand new Sign Up Showdown. I know you have won previous first episodes in the past with my other racing events, so this continues, I guess, that historic streak.
It's crazy. I think the first time I ever signed up for your sign-up series, like back in 2013, I won the sus.
Yep.
So for this to happen again, but with your new series here and with the first time ever doing this with the Master Trucks, it's honestly incredible. Big Kahuna is pretty much my favorite truck of all time, honestly, and that body design is awesome. So to be able to represent the team and actually win the first event of this is really cool.
And that's a great win deserved. That was very close. Jester also being very fast. Stop Motion Madness, we give you some props for that. And we will see you in episode number 2. Don't forget, we have some exciting stuff coming up during this season. A body reveal for World Finals number 1 will happen in episode number 5. And we will have an Avenger body scheme reveal by Bev in the World Finals episode. So we have quite a season ahead of us. This is a very cool series. I cannot wait to keep going with it. Every single Friday we will have a new episode. So this has been episode number 1. Thank you all for watching. This is Ryan, Monster Mostly and the Hangouts Crew, signing out.